Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google, turn on the lights. Hey Google, what's my name? Hey Google, order me a pizza. Hey Google, make Drew start the episode. Hey Google, you ready to start? Hey Google, let's start!
Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box, the show where Eric just upset all of our viewers.
Hey Google, I'm sorry.
A lot of people are gonna have pizza.
Big pizzas, man. Everything on them with water, a whole lot of water.
That's good. Pizza brings happiness.
Plus, we got to find out what everybody's "Hey Google, what's my name?" is.
Does pizza bring you shoes?
You're gonna shoes?
Well, you have no shoes.
Well, you know that this makes me feel more comfortable when we're filming to be barefoot, and also I have serious foot sweat, so.
The odor that comes off of this.
Speaking of odor, Drew,
you
I'm glad
can't
mentioned that
smell
because
this.
I actually brought you a little box, a gift today. I had.
Where?
I could have sworn I had it like right here.
I have a box for you.
I remember where I left it. Hold on a second. I'm gonna go get it, and it gives me an opportunity to show you my newest trick.
Super excited.
Yeah, watch this. Watch. Hey,
I'm with you. Yeah, no, I got you.
watch my feet. Watch my feet.
Where'd you go? I don't get it. I wonder where he is. Yeah,
Do your thing. Put it down. Do
it
your
down.
thing. We got to open this thing up and what? What? No. What?
There's two of you.
To who? What are you talking about? Come on, dude. What's the matter with you? You're not sleeping enough, man.
Where'd you go?
Oh, it's not where, Drew. It's when.
Oh,
Might as
what
well
does that
just
mean?
call me Doc Brown.
Time traveled?
Yes, we have two boxes to open today. Which box do you want to open up first? This one? This one? This one? This one? This one? This one? Hey Google, let's open the brown box first.
Oh man.
Come on. Hey Google, what's in the box?
So what is in the box?
Open the box. Over there, though. Open it over there. Open it over here. Over there. Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah. No.
I don't know what's in the box, but I don't want to know what's in the box.
What are those?
Oh, did you? Oh no.
Come on, we don't have a lot of time. Start opening that box. I'll open this box.
I'll talk about what it is. How about that? Today we have. How am I supposed to talk when that's going on? Wow. I can't.
This one's for me?
Oh,
Come on.
I can't.
That's
How am I
5
supposed to
minutes.
focus? We have a Nest Hub Max. How do you know where this is?
Yeah.
Why are you talking about what you brought?
This is the Google Nest Hub Max.
Holy
the
cow.
new Google Hub. Right, Drew?
That is the new Google Hub.
Hey Google, put on Drew's shirt.
Oh
Hey Google,
man, this is
put on
front,
Drew's shirt.
front and back. Oh man,
I'm a little bit sweaty.
these are fantastic.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, but-
All right.
Wow, this is nice.
Yes,
All right,
well-
let's do this justice as we go through whatever time travel and whatever else you just did.
Oh yeah.
So, the former Home Hub, right, now named Nest Hub, and this is the Max version. So this version is a 10-inch. There is a 7-inch version. There's some significant differences in the versions. Primarily screen size. This being the 10-inch, the other version is a 7-inch. This is like a full-blown tablet.
That is huge. Yeah, that is a big screen,
This is
right?
very nice. The other two really big notable differences, much larger speaker.
The larger speaker.
Much
larger speaker. Much larger.
stereo.
That's
So
right.
this is full stereo, and there is a camera on the front.
Yes.
Camera is a fantastic addition to this. The first version, for people who don't want to have a camera, the other version might be a better bet for you. There is no camera on that, but for this one, for people who do want to do video calls, you can do duo calls on this,
Yep.
and it has facial tracking.
Nobody wants to track my face, Drew.
I love your face. Can't you tell?
I do.
Can't you tell?
I'm your guy.
So
That's right.
if it was looking at me, it would follow your face. But as you as you're doing a call, it will actually zoom in on the person who's talking and actually follow them through the room. It's a really cool feature on it. It also can act as a Nest Cam. So if you do have other Nest Cams in the house, this can be a device in it. So when you go into the app,
zone.
you got it. You can make it a zone. You can activate or disable that, which is a really, really cool feature on this. Why don't you talk about the fit finish features?
It's beautiful, man. I really like it. The thing that is amazing to me, actually, and I haven't heard this one, but even the smaller one, it truly sounds amazing. The way the speakers are built into it, the way they kind of, yeah, like intentionally collar popped, for sure. And the fact that it can pick up your voice and different people's voices, right, and know who's talking and what it's looking for from that individual is really cool.
Big advantage on this, there's 2 microphones. There's 2 on the other one as well, but there's 2 on this one. And they do have a front-facing mic this time, which is nice. I do have the original Nest Hub, which the microphone's on the back. Most scenarios, that works out very well. Some scenarios, if you're not up against a wall, it does become a little bit more difficult, or if you're near a TV. So if it's in front of a TV and the sound's projecting towards it, it becomes a little difficult to hear you. So this one has a front-facing and rear-facing mic, which means it just is going to pick you up in a lot more scenarios. So
yeah.
That's a great
I find
feature.
it difficult sometimes to actually tell people how much this device can do.
Yeah.
Right? So if you think about it, it's a phone, it's the internet, it's video streaming, it's YouTube, it's audio streaming, it's FaceTiming, camera.
It's really the control system at this
And
point,
that,
right?
You can control everything.
You can integrate in with almost anything, right? Your Sonos
Hey
out
Google,
there.
make Drew stop talking. Almost
Nothing works.
right.
Logitech can integrate very easily with it. There's a ton of brands that integrate directly into it. The app has really improved over time. There's a lot of audio streaming devices that are using that home app as the main piece to connect your device to the internet because it's so
It's a
stable.
babysitter too, right?
Oh, it's everything.
It's a babysitter though, right? You put it in front of your kid, they talk to it for hours, no?
I have to get this one because my kid tries to video call my mom and there's no camera on the other one. So he ends up being there. She can't see anything. So I've got to eventually
My
get
parents
this.
have this and they also have the Hello doorbell camera. And so they love the fact that when somebody hits the doorbell, this thing automatically turns on, flips to the camera and announces a visitor.
Yep.
It's crazy cool.
And
it comes with a plug.
It does have a nice wall wart, which again, these are nice, and I know people don't really care about that, but integrators may. The wall wart is thin, so it only takes up 1 outlet space, whereas sometimes these things are a little bit bigger, they take up 2, so I appreciate that. And overall, a nice upgrade from the other version. We did a long video on the other version, we talk about it, a lot of different use scenarios, so if you'd like to see it, we do have one on what used to be the Google Home Hub, which is now the Nest Hub. We have some videos up there, I'm sure they'll link it. I don't know.
For whatever it's worth too, one thing to mention is we have played with both these products as well as the Alexa products,
Yes.
the Amazon products, right? And one of the things that I noticed the difference is this thing is blazing fast.
Oh yeah.
When you say, hey Google, turn on the lights are on almost before you finish.
And in
the
half of
sentence.
your houses, the lights are probably on now because Eric just did that. So.
Hey Google, turn off those lights. Sorry guys and gals. All right, let's bring this baby home, right?
Bring it home. One other thing just to call out, obviously there is a rocker for the volume on the backside as well as a disable for the camera. There's no disable for his feet. Ultimately, great product. Thank you to the guys at Google, right?
That's right.
For getting this over for us. We are raffling this off, right?
That's right.
Are we?
Yes.
We are?
We are.
I thought I was keeping it.
I think all you have to do is ask Google. Hey Google, who's going to win this?
Whoever comments
Likes.
or subscribes,
Uh-huh.
all 3 would be preferable.
Please.
We do like likes.
Don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, folks.
Is this me again?
This is my guy.
Oh, this is you.
You've got me, I've got you.
I now get it.
Yeah.
This is great.
Yeah.
I look awesome.
All right. Sorry, guys. This bromance over here.
This has been really weird.
That's right.
We'll see you guys next time.
See you later.
I can't believe you got these.
Oh,
That's pretty cool.
well, it fits you pretty good. You
Do I
fat
keep this
boy.
one?